to solve this simultaneous equation for x and y, let's use substitution solution. Substitution. So substitution, we can choose the second equation where we have 5x plus y is equals to 3. So if we take y to be the subject of this equation, we can say y is equals to this one. It crosses the equal sign, it will be 3 minus 5x. So simply we mean x is now equals to this one. So where we have I mean y is equals to this one, where we have y on this, we will substitute and this given value of y. So let's take this one, then we substitute this y with, so we have minus 2 into our y now will be 3 minus 5x is equals to 7. So this one will give us 3x minus, this is 2 times 3, this is 6, negative times negative is plus 10x is equals to 7. So 3x plus 10, that is 13x. Negative 6x, negative 6, when it closes the other side, it will be 7 plus 6. So 13x is equals to 13. X is equals to 1. So after getting the value, then we now come back and find for the value of y. So our y was y is equals to 3 minus 5x. But we know x is 1. So we just take the value of x, we'll place it here. So we have y is equals to